Everybody needs to know how to shuffle a deck of playing cards, and this is both for magicians and non-magicians. For non-magicians, you're more than likely just playing a nice game of poker, but for magicians, there's some extra fun things you can do. So let's say we have the spectator select a card, the 6 of diamonds, and we lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck. Now at this point, you can then give the deck a couple of shuffles, in this case the overhand shuffle, and see that the 6 of diamonds is still controlled on the bottom. And it doesn't just have to stay on the bottom either. There are many different ways to control this with this shuffle, whether it be to the bottom, clearly to the top works as, clearly to the top works as well. There's many different ways that you can use this. But I'm just going to teach you the overhand shuffle right now. So first you're going to want to know the grip, which is going to be like this with your right hand. Your thumb will be on the bottom short edge, middle and ring on the top short edge. Index will be on the upper side of the left long edge, and your pinky will be on that back corner. And when you catch it, your left hand will have it like this. So your thumb will be on the upper side of the right long edge, your middle and ring will be on the other long edge, index on top, and pinky on the bottom. Now at this point, there's 2 ways to do it. You can either throw the cards off or peel them off. Throwing them off can be a little bit more messy, but if you choose to do that, just make sure that your index and pinky are really holding these cards down. I would recommend peeling them off though, simply because it's going to have a lot more implications later. And the only difference is you're going to be grabbing them with your thumb instead of just letting the cards fly. So come down with your wrist, grab with your thumb, and peel it off. And you can do this over and over and over until you're all the way through the deck. Now obviously there's going to be more shuffles than just the overhand shuffle, whether it be the riffle shuffle, and you can even do it without a table, the pharaoh shuffle, which interlaces the cards every other, or even the Hindu shuffle, which I taught a couple of months ago. Now make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Plus, if you want to learn those shuffles or controls, you can check out the shuffles playlist right there, and the controls for this move right here, right down there. This deck of cards is of course going to be 10% off with code cardperfectmagician in the description below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is CPM, signing off.